At Siddhivinayak metro station, the first station in package 4, 100% of tunneling work has been completed. Around 70% of the platform slab work has been accomplished. Also, 100% of the concourse slab work has been completed by MMRC. Flooring work is currently in progress. With a total of 7 entry exits at Siddhivinayak metro station, one major entry exit will provide direct connection to Siddhivinayak Mandir. As of today, 85% of the roof slab work has been completed. Siddhivinayak metro station will connect lakhs of devotees, not only from the city of Mumbai, but all over the country to Siddhivinayak Mandir.